First, you should take a video that you are spraying something, and take another video at the same spot that you are shaking hands. Before we go to the tutorial, if you like to learn more tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Now move the clips to the CapCut, and I deleted the extra parts between two clips, and move the video where I am shaking my hand from the overlay part to the second layer. Now I select the second video and go to the mask section and set the rectangle mask. For matching the place of these two clips, I go to the transform section and go to the position and change the x-axis and y-axis until the place of the second clip matches exactly with the place of the first clip. You will see an arrow under the edge of the mask. By dragging it to the bottom, you will reduce the opacity of the edge of the mask. From the head of the subject to the bottom, I move the mask down by setting the keyframe to make it look like a spray effect. And you have to be patient so that your edit becomes natural and the two clips are exactly at the same place. And from the Pixabay website, I download the spray sound effect and put it for my edit. I hope you like it. If you like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and share it with your friends.